As a division of Qualcomm Incorporated, Qualcomm's Government Technologies has been a trusted partner to federal, state, and local government organizations since Qualcomm's founding, providing wireless communication solutions in support of the U.S. government and public safety.
Well, what most people don't know about Qualcomm is that public safety agencies have been using our technology for years. It's embedded in many of the products that they're using today. Whether it be the cell phone that they utilize on a day-to-day basis, or the mobile data terminals that they have in the cars, the mobile computer terminals that they have in the fire trucks. It might be a tracking solution so that we know where our police and firefighters are. Those oftentimes are utilizing Qualcomm's technology.
Qualcomm's partnership with the government extends to when there's crisis where the government needs our help. As an example, during Hurricane Katrina, we received the call from the government. We got our deployable base station, cell phones, and other vehicle tracking equipment, whether it be satellite tracking equipment or cellular, down there on a moment's notice and helped the emergency responders get communications up so they could do relief and rescue.
We didn't stop in New Orleans. When the Southern California wildfires hit, as another example, Qualcomm technology was there, whether it be within the commercial networks so that first responders and the public could communicate with each other, or be in the police cars, the fire trucks, being able to share the data and capture the data that was critical to that situation. That was underlying Qualcomm technology.
Providing public safety and government agencies with our technology is part of our heritage at Qualcomm, and it continues today with new technologies and partnerships that benefit those who serve.
We're enabling some amazing products that are going to be very familiar to you, if not now, in the near future. Panasonic Toughbooks that many police and firefighting agencies utilize across this nation now have our Gobi chip in it. Gobi chip's unique in that it allows that public safety agency to connect to any network, or even multiple networks, so they can build in a redundancy with the same type of device.
This allows a public safety agency to be connected anywhere, and we don't limit your choices to things developed at Qualcomm. We work hard to find the right solution for the mission, and that sometimes means we partner with other industry leaders.
One such technology that we found enhanced location-based services to the individual, carrying a cell phone, carrying a device, so that we know where that individual is as opposed to where his asset is, his car or his fire truck is. Knowing where they are as opposed to where their equipment is, extremely important to be able to bring the assets, the resources, to be able to help them.
Situational awareness, data sharing, and communications interoperability working together provide a real-time understanding of what's happening in the field.
And at Qualcomm, we're always innovating and working towards a brighter future. We won't be happy until we can provide you with a whole new set of tools. Tools that'll deliver services to individuals through their mobile devices.
I see in the future, in the near future, enhanced voice and data capabilities out to mobile devices throughout the country. Encrypted phones, so that if there's a critical conversation that police officers need to make, that undercover personnel need to make, they can do so with assurance that nobody's going to be able to listen in.
Qualcomm baseband chips that enable satellite connectivity in cell phones. Technology to help recover lost or stolen cell phones without the thief's knowledge, and technologies that allow remote triggering of alerts on a stolen device.
What if we use that same technology and put it in the hands of police officers, so if something, one of their devices were stolen or taken, we would be able to wipe that critical data off of that phone. When you give a tool to a firefighter, a police officer, a military guy, and all of a sudden he or she's eyes light up because the tool provides them something that they knew they desperately needed and they didn't think was possible, that's a privilege that we have here. That's something that we get to do and be a part of, to take that so those young men and women can be out there and be safe. And it's an honor, and I think everybody in the division feels that.
Right now we're at the very beginning, and we're committed to helping officers and communities. And as a wireless company, to be a part of that, that's pretty cool.